All right. It says the table below gives the number of hours spent studying for a science exam and the final grade. Do y'all think it's going to be a relationship between the hours spent studying and the grade?
Yes.
What's probably going to be the trend? The more you study, the higher your grade tends to be. Would there probably be some exceptions?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and that's okay. It says, what is the equation for the line of best fit? So where am I going to put this in at? Stat. Do I have to put in every data entry?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Stat Calc, option 4. Again, we are rounding to what place value? Hundreds. So I want you at the top of your notes, let's put a number, like 2.536. I want you to underline the hundredths place, which is what digit? The 3. Hundredths means the second decimal place. Put an arrow to the right. This number is the boss. It is going to tell you whether to round that 3 up or keep it the same. If it's 5 or more, raise the score. So this would become 2.54. Does everybody understand? Now, if the number is only going to the tenths place, then you don't need to round at all, because we can keep it on the tenths place. I just don't want it going past the hundreds. All right, what would my equation be? Y equals 6.0 what? Why am I going to make it a 9? Because the number to the right is 5 or more. So 6.09x plus 63 point either 92 or 93. Why is it going to be 93? The next number is 5 or more. So 90, what did I say, 93? Okay, what is the R? We are rounding to the hundredths place. Please do not round up to 1, because 1 would mean it makes a perfect straight line, right? And this isn't. So what would I round this to? 0.99. Now it wants us to use our equation to predict the exam grade of a student who studies for 6 hours. So I would take hours and plug it in for what? So I would say, what is 6.09 times 6 plus 63.93? Let's go look. What would their grade be? About 100. Okay, are there any questions on this? Okay, flip the page. Y'all already know. Let's go to number 5. Y'all already know how to do the other ones. Bless you. It says, look at the graph below that has a line of best fit already drawn, and answer the questions. So here's my question for y'all. If you're looking at this graph, would you use the dots or the line of best fit? The line of best fit. If it's already drawn, pretend the dots don't exist. Use the line of best fit. It says, how many dollars did Jim earn for working 5 hours? So you go to 5 hours, you go up. Where am I at on my line of best fit? 48 what? Dollars. Using your line of fit, predict how many dollars Jim will earn if he works 10 hours. So I go to 10, I go up to my line of best fit, and what should I put? About $72. Is the slope of your line of best fit positive or negative? Because it's going up. according to the line of fit, when Jim's hours increase by 5, how much do his earnings increase? So it's saying when Jim's hours increase by 5. So when they increase from here, and I go up 5 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much did the money increase from here to here? What was it counting by? 8s? So 8 times, is it really 48?
No, it's 8. Sorry.
Guys, it's not what y'all said because it's not starting at 0, 0. So I'm looking at any dot going up by 5 hours. So everybody look, from this dot to this dot, did I go up by 5 hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all see what I'm saying? So from this amount to this amount, how much money did it increase by? 3 times 8 is, so $24. All right, number 6 says, which of the graphs below represents the line of best fit? So if you took these graphs, which one of these has a line of best fit drawn correctly? C. Super easy. We already did this page on Friday, but I want to talk to you about it before you get your assignment. Because on your assignment today, you're going to have to tell if something is correlation or... So let's just write this again. Correlation means it probably will happen. What does causation mean? It absolutely will happen. If I turn the heater on in my house, it will absolutely raise the temperature. That is causation. Correlation is if the temperature goes up outside, I will sell more snow cones. I will probably sell more snow cones, yes? But it is not an absolute. Absolute is causation. Most likely will happen is correlation. Do y'all understand the difference? Okay, let me get you your assignment. Okay, on number 1 through 6, it just wants you to write if it's a positive correlation, negative correlation, or no correlation. On 7 through 12, mark off where it wants you to draw a line of fit. I don't need you to do that. Okay? I do, however, want you to write an equation for the line. And that's all you're going to do. You don't have to do the R. There's just not a lot of space. So write an equation. What are you going to need to be able to write an equation? You're going to need a table with the coordinates. What are you going to round to? Write this down. Round to the hundreds. If you don't round correctly tomorrow, I'm going to count it wrong. Does everybody hear that? Yes or no? Okay. Flip to the next page. Are we listening? Because some of us did not do this correctly on our homework last night. Make a... You have to go put the dots. Take off, draw a line of best fit. I don't care about that. We're going to write an equation, and we are going to... No, that's it.
Will they make us draw a line on the ESC?
I don't think so. Because your equation is the line of best fit. You are going to do all of these. Make sure that you're answering the questions. They're super easy. Don't skip the word problems. And then on the back, you're going to write, at the top, you're going to write if the scenario has a positive, negative, or no correlation. I'll do number A, letter A with y'all just to see. Education to income. So what you're going to say, as education goes up, what would income tend to do? So, really, the more educated a person is, the more they tend to make more money. So if it's two ups, you would put, so guys, the first one you'll always put up. And then if the second one goes down, it's negative. If the second one goes up because of the first one, does that make sense? Okay, if they're not related at all, you put no correlation. At the bottom, it wants you to determine if it's correlation or causation. And that's it. Got it? All right, get started.